Pocketing is a service performed in the manufacturing industry that involves the creation of pockets or cavities in a material. This process is typically used in the production of metal parts, where pockets are created to reduce weight and improve the overall strength of the part. Pocketing can also be used to create complex shapes and designs that would be difficult or impossible to achieve with traditional machining methods. The pocketing process involves the use of specialized cutting tools that are designed to remove material from the workpiece in a precise and controlled manner. The cutting tools are typically computer-controlled, allowing for highly accurate and repeatable results. The process can be performed on a wide range of materials, including metals, plastics, and composites. One of the key benefits of pocketing is its ability to reduce the weight of a part without sacrificing strength. By removing material from areas where it is not needed, manufacturers can create parts that are lighter and more efficient. This can be particularly important in industries such as aerospace and automotive, where weight reduction is a critical factor in improving performance and fuel efficiency. Berkness Company is a manufacturing company that specializes in the production of custom metal parts and components. As a leading provider of precision machining services, Berkness Company has extensive experience in pocketing and other advanced machining techniques. The company's team of skilled engineers and technicians can work with customers to design and produce parts that meet their exact specifications, using the latest technology and equipment. If you are interested in learning more about pocketing and how it can benefit your manufacturing operations, Berkness Company is here to help. The company's website features a Contact Us page where you can reach out to their team and request more information. Whether you need a single prototype or high-volume production runs, Berkness Company has the expertise and resources to deliver the quality parts you need. Contact them today to learn more. FAQs. 1. What is pocketing in manufacturing? Pocketing in manufacturing refers to the process of creating a pocket or cavity in a material, typically using a milling machine or other cutting tool. This technique is commonly used in the production of parts and components for various industries, including aerospace, automotive, and medical. 2. What are the benefits of pocketing in manufacturing? Pocketing can offer several benefits in manufacturing, including reducing the weight of a part or component, improving its strength and stiffness, and increasing its functionality. By removing excess material from a workpiece, pocketing can also help to reduce production time and costs. 3. What are some common applications of pocketing in manufacturing? Pocketing is used in a wide range of manufacturing applications, including the production of engine components, aircraft parts, medical implants, and electronic devices. It is also commonly used in the creation of molds and dies for injection molding and other manufacturing processes. For more information, contact Berkness Company today.